How to fix ChatGPT camera photos and files option not working. 2026, you are trying to upload a photo or file to ChatGPT, and it is just not working, it crashes, spins forever. Or the option is completely gone. In the next 3 minutes, I will walk you through every fix step by step. Let us get into it. Welcome back, I am Daniel, let us go. Fix 1, check your plan. Free users face heavy restrictions on file uploads, especially during peak hours. If you are on the free plan, try again later when traffic is lower. Plus and Pro subscribers get full priority access at all times. Fix 2, check your file format and size. ChatGPT only supports JPEG, PNG, WEBP, and static GIF files. It does not support HEIC, TIFF, or RAW camera formats. iPhone users go to Settings, tap Camera, tap Formats, and switch to Most Compatible so all your photos save as JPEG automatically. Also keep your file under 20 megabytes. Anything larger will fail to upload every single time. Fix 3, fix your app permissions. On Android, go to Settings, tap Apps, find ChatGPT, tap Permissions, and make sure camera and photos are both set to allow. On iPhone, go to Settings, find ChatGPT, and make sure camera and photos are both toggled on. Then fully close the app and reopen it. Fix 4, switch to the right model. Not every ChatGPT model supports file uploads. Models like O1 and O1 Mini do not support image input at all. Tap the model name at the top of your chat and switch to GPT-4o. This single change fixes the issue for most users immediately. Fix 5, start a new chat. Tap the new chat icon, select GPT-4o, and try your upload again from scratch. Existing chat sessions can get stuck in a broken state that blocks uploads completely. Fix 6, clear your app cache. On Android, go to Settings, tap Apps, find ChatGPT, tap Storage, and hit Clear Cache. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, find ChatGPT, and tap Offload app. Then reinstall and log back in. Fix 7, update the ChatGPT app. Go to your App Store and install any available update. Outdated versions cause upload failures that a simple update resolves instantly. Fix 8, check OpenAI server status. Search OpenAI server status in your browser. If servers are overloaded, file uploads slow down or stop entirely. Wait 30 minutes and try again. Fix 9, uninstall and reinstall ChatGPT completely. Delete the app, reinstall the latest version, log back in, and test your uploads again. This resolves deep app issues that nothing else can fix. Pro tip, always check your file format before uploading. Switch your iPhone camera to most compatible in settings right now so every future photo saves as JPEG automatically. This one change prevents the majority of upload failures before they ever happen. So to recap, check your plan, fix your file format and size, sort your permissions, switch to GPT-4o, start a new chat, clear your cache, update the app, check server status, and reinstall if needed. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more ChatGPT tutorials every week. Which fix worked for you? Drop it in the comments. It has been Daniel, see you in the next one.